Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Nabilah Binti Rozman. Ladies and gentlemen, did you know dolphins are pretty smart? According to National Institution of Health, dolphins can actually recognize themselves in a mirror, showing that they are self-aware. That is not something ton of animals can do where it does dolphins, some a pest and a human. So if you catch a dolphin goofing around in front of a mirror, you are basically witnesses a dolphin flexing its brain power with a bit of self-recognition. As you can see in this slide, dolphins have the second largest brains after humans by having smallest body overall. Their brain contains spindle neurons associated with advanced skills like problem solving, logical thinking, and communication. This suggests that dolphin intelligence is quite high. It is possible that dolphins' brain develop to adapt to their surroundings. Dolphin live with intelligence and highly intricate social connection, and their brain adjusts accordingly. Exploring into dolphin intelligence and behavior is thrilling. These amazing creatures teach us about how smart an animal is. Now that we have said, set the stage for our exploration, let's dive into the key aspect that form the core of this discussion. Dolphin has the ability to solve problems and acquire knowledge, since dolphins are known to be very clever animals. According to studies, they are more cognitively advanced than dogs, cats, primates, and even certain birds, where dolphins are exceptionally good learners and have sophisticated problem-solving ability. They can remember objects and people for a long period of time and recognize themselves in a mirror, demonstrating a level of self-awareness observed in only a few animals. Besides, its clever also been discovered through dolphins' use tool in the wild, and they also exhibit remarkable cooperative behavior when hunting together for sustenance. For example, dolphins will sometimes hold sponges over their beaks when foraging on coral reefs so they can protect themselves from sharp edges and other hazards. They also use corporate strategy to herd fish into shallow waters, make it easy to catch their prey. Dolphins' intelligence also can be seen when it can speak complex language as well. They are able to pick up on human speech patterns and comprehend basic instruction in their own tongue. They usually use click, whistles, and other noises to communicate. So, according to studies, dolphins may also be able to distinguish distinct cries from other dolphins in their species, which is really amazing. So, dolphin playfulness is another important indicator of intelligence. Dolphin play is an obvious way in which they demonstrate great intelligence. They play with plants or shells and do acrobatic act on the bow of the boat while riding waves. They also play a game called catch in which players throws fish or turtles. All of this evidence point to dolphins are extremely cognitive animals with strong problem solving and learning abilities. So besides showing its intelligence through its amazing behavior on solving problem and acquire knowledge, you can also see dolphin intelligence on how dolphins social interaction with each other. Dolphins have a sophisticated ability to communicate with one another. They actually communicate to express their ideas and emotions. They employ a variety of vocalization, body language, and even touch. An example is the signature whistle produced by dolphins. Each individual dolphin has its own unique whistle, which is used as a form of identification when interacting with others in its pod. In other words, dolphins can coordinate their action with each other even without direct physical contact. So, last but not least, dolphins communicate with one another by making a special blend of click and whistle, just like I said before. So, these sounds are unique to specific person or group. This is because dolphins may have a special language of their own that they use to communicate with one another. So, which make this incredible accomplishment. This provide more proof of the animal's social complexity and intelligence. It proves that dolphins are able to communicate and comprehend one another's feelings and intention. So, in conclusion, dolphins are basically super smart and cool. Like their whole deal with the social group, solving problems, and just having a blast is mind blowing. Checking out dolphins not only help us get what makes them tick, but also show us why we got to keep their ocean deep safe. It's like when we dig into how smart and awesome dolphins are, we are basically unlocking secret to this right underwater world. So thank you for joining me on this captivating journey to discover the wonder of dolphin intelligence and behavior.